Good morning, YouTube fans. Hey, today is October the 22nd. It's Friday, guys. Today we're going to be spraying the last and final coat of Gelcoat on our 18-foot RFL Majek. This guy right here. We've got him sanded down. Got them all ready to go for the last and final coat. This will be a waxed. We will mix wax in our Gelcoat. Right here is sanded. We did a little extra sanding right over on that side. It had some spots when we wanted to make better, so we sanded. Over here is Gelcoated also, and it is non-waxed. So what we're gonna do is our last coat that we're about to put on is gonna have wax in it. That way the wax will be a agent to keep the oxygen away from the chemical reaction when the Gelcoat is setting up, and the finish will be a hard finish. It won't be a tacky finish, so we'll be able to wet sand the boat down with 220, then 600, and start buffing it out. All right, so let's get these floors wetted down so we don't get any overspray on these floors, and we'll mix up some Gelcoat. All right, so now we're going to mix up our Gelcoat. I'm going to show you how I do it. It's about 80 degrees today, so it's pretty warm. Humidity is about 40%. Being that this is our final coat we're going to put on, we're going to add a ounce of paraffin wax. Okay, so our finished coat on top will be hard and won't be tacky. You want to add your wax in first. This is 1 quart, and it recommends to mix 1 ounce of wax to 1 quart of Gelcoat. So that was our 1 ounce of wax I just added in. Okay, and we have our black Gelcoat. And I've already shook it up quite a bit before I started the video. Just give it a little extra. Then we're going to pour this in here on top of our wax solution that's inside of here. And there's 1 quart. So now we have our Gelcoat and our wax solution mixed together. So it wants to separate a little bit, so we need to stir this the best we can. We want to stir for about a good 3 minutes. We haven't catalyzed yet. We're not going to do that till we get ready to spray, because we don't want this stuff setting up while we're mixing it. We'll stir this, and then when we get ready, we're going to catalyze it with we'll go 1% today, so which will be 10 cc's of our MEKP hardener. Being that it's warm today, we want a good time to spray. We don't want it to set up in our gun. What we're spraying with is a traditional HLVP gun. This is a 3.0 nozzle, and it does really good for spraying this Gelcoat. It's a 3.0 nozzle. If you go anything smaller than that, you're gonna have a real hard time spraying. I prefer these over the cup guns, because the cup guns have an open-ended orifice, and you lean them over, they'll drip. You'll end up dripping Gelcoat on top of your work, messing your job up. All right. All right, we got the boat completely sprayed. If you see, it's getting little fuzzy spots. It's turning from glossy to a dull finish. That is a curing process. That is the wax that is coming to the top to help cure the gel coat. And this is our final spray on this boat. We have it moved out of the way so it can sit here and cure, and it is cured. I can feel the heat coming off of it. All right, so appreciate you watching. Hopefully you learned something. If you have any questions, comments, please leave it below. I do reply. Great looking job, guys. Next thing we're gonna do is sand it with some 200, 220, and that'd have been a different video. If you liked the video that you just saw, please consider subscribing to my page, please. And leave comments, and I'll reply back. Thank you, and have a great day.